7/16 to 21, we have this NASDAQ composite. It's an update. Happy Friday, everybody. Going into the weekend. Market's going to close here in about 5 minutes, and that it is. And we're falling through that 20-day, and I can just tell you right now, that is minus 111.16 cents on the day. So day 3 in the pullback phase, okay, we were overbought and a lot of trades were crowded. So one of the things, if we continue to go down, as we said, we're going into the earnings season, and we are finally at the end of an 8-week run in the NASDAQ 100 in the chip sector, as we updated there on the 15th. So let that be very clear to you as a gauge to when markets turn. And when the advanced decline line has been getting very poor of late, then that tells a story, and many other factors. One of the things that we would love to say is that the volatility is going to increase. And basically, right where that trend line is, right there, you can see it. I'll draw you a trend line even. I'll be happy to on this NASDAQ comp. There it is, the white line. That's the trend line, and it's sitting on it. That's just where we are testing that support with 1 week ago gap down and that 3-day reversal, and there were a lot of things going on. So nonetheless, we've had this 8-week rally. That's 2 months. And we started calling that rally back on right around 512, 515, 514 in that area. It's there on the channel. All you have to do is go to the website, the new website, and you can load up all kinds of videos there. You can. One of the things that we're saying is that the volatility with the earnings, beware right now. I'm being upfront. Yesterday we had updated a lot of stuff. The chip sector, the NASDAQ. There was lots of updates here. That ARC ETF, Kathy Woods, she's getting clobbered. So we had lots of different updates, and Tesla continues to go down. We updated the S&P. We did everything there. TurboOptionTrading.com. Go there. That's where you want to hang out. So, it's just the beginning phase of what pullbacks look like. Just like when you have bull rallies, you have the beginning phase of a bull rally. Well, you have beginning phases of market pullbacks. And we haven't seen the continuation of a 3-day pullback for a long time. Since we started the rally that we were calling back over here. Oh yeah, 513, you darn right. And hey, it's been a 2-month winning streak here for these indexes, and the volatility now, just like when we're calling a bottom and how they look like and how far are they going to go. Well, same thing with the topping reversal patterns, my friends. And you can go ahead and go to the website, hit that contact form. We do have 5 indicators that we can teach you that will guide you through markets, and you'll be real happy, and you'll be able to understand a lot of this. So one of the things we're going to look at is 3 days down, and with the whole bull market rally up, we haven't had that. So during that whole rally, we haven't had 3 fairly decent sized pullback days. You've had the gap down and recoveries, but you haven't had any real pullback since we started calling that bull run, okay? And here, though, this is the first time in this bull run that we see a 3-day reversal in play. So this is the part that I just want to emphasize. Only to keep you grounded. That's all we care about doing. So, having said that, my friends and fellow traders around the world, this is what it looks like when they start to get ready to have bigger pullbacks. And if we break support, then we're going to go down to the next support, and so forth and so on. We have a daily sell signal, day number 2. And I talked about this yesterday, and that sell signal now is minus 33. Yesterday, when I pointed it out right here, it was only minus whatever, it was 16. And I pointed that out right here in the video on the website here. This is where you want to go. And this is where you want to spend your time and get your trading ideas, everyone. It's very nice, it's very clean, it's very simple, and it's only here to help you. So, once again, we can clearly see the making of a broader pullback. We have given the warning, and don't take it lightly. You better take it full bore. Is when I say that the volatility is going to increase over the next 3 weeks, you can bank on it. And, volatility can cause a lot of uncertainty. Volatility is, a lot of people just don't know how to deal with it. And we are in that period of time. Let it be known on this day, Friday, end of the trading week on 7/16, calendar date 21. And then we're going to be going from there. And I would, if I were you, really get into the idea of thinking of developing a relationship with this. It'll be a good one, long-lasting one that you'll enjoy. Nonetheless, all you have to do is contact us. It's just that easy. So, this is that NASDAQ composite. That's where the big volatility is. That and in the NASDAQ 100 as well. For Friday closing bell, 3 down days in a row. And gap down and recoveries in the bull. We haven't had that. This was that little blurb right here when we started the bull, and then it pulled back and we did a double bottom breakout all the way up to this 3-day top reversal. So once again, my friends, it's our pleasure to let you know, though, that the sell signal now is there. First day on the NDX100 MACD indicator. And the other thing is that markets are no longer overbought like they were. Yes, they've had a fairly decent, that 3-day pullback has changed the percent D and percent K. Let that be known. And then that will be its major support level of this rally. We haven't tested it. We're very close. We gapped down, then we rallied, made a new high as we know it. So we're going to see what happens, just like the NASDAQ composite reads. That's going to be that support level. If we break it, well, then we can come down to this support level, 1423. You can see the numbers. And then down here would be 14,109, right above that 50-day moving average. This is a Friday weekly calendar, 7/16/21, closing week. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Sellers have been hitting the tape. We've called it right to a T. It's all right here. It's all right here. TurboOptionTrading.com. You have all your videos. They come out immediately. You can keep checking back here. It's clean. It's fun. It's everything. So go ahead and do that and enjoy it, because it's a great resource for you.